after the Congress party, Mamata Banerjee, West Bengal Chief Minister, has also mocked the centre for blocking Chinese apps. She says banning some apps isn't enough. We have to give China a befitting reply. So that's the latest statement that has come in from the West Bengal Chief Minister. Remember, overall, as far as the China issue is concerned, Mamata Banerjee did make a statement saying that they are with the central government and the central government for whatever they decide. But she doesn't seem to see eye to eye with the government on the banning of apps. Suryagini, my colleague, is joining us with more on this. What has she said exactly, Suryagini?
Well, just a while back, Mamata Banerjee did a presser wherein she clearly stated that she is on the same page when it comes against China, and she supports any stand that is taken by the government of India, especially on a topic, on an issue that relates to China. But when questioned on how she is looking at the entire situation of 59 apps, Chinese apps rather, being banned, she said that just banning them will not help, but more aggressive action needs to be taken. When it comes to any policy on China, her stand is very supportive of the union government. That is what she said. That is what she stated just a while back. Back to you.
Okay. So Mamata Banerjee has gone on to say that banning apps is not enough. A more befitting response is required. Overall, though, as I mentioned earlier as well, she has supported the union government or shown solidarity that at this junction, when we are eyeball to eyeball with Chinese troops at the LAC, the party supports the union government. But that is, of course, not something that has been forthcoming from everyone, especially the Congress party in the opposition. Let's go across to my colleague Aishwarya also, who's joining us. So Aishwarya, while on the larger issue, Mamata Banerjee has supported the union government, she has said that banning apps and Chinese apps is just not enough.
Yeah. Well, absolutely. But at this point of time, Shivani, we need to understand that, yes, Mamata Banerjee is coming out with it, but her comments on China have always been supporting. And now when she says that the government has taken step number one, government has basically not said that this is the last step. Government is saying that we will continue to act. This is step number one. Continuous steps will be taken in this regard if China doesn't understand. We have seen the kind of reverberation. Even this small decision of banning 59 apps have because the Beijing Foreign Office, the Chinese Foreign Office has reacted to it. In an official statement, they have said that they do not expect these kind of strong measures to be taken. So this is a very, very strong measure in their regard. This is a very clear digital strike on the Chinese infrastructure and on the Chinese backbone. TikTok, one app had 30% users from India. And to kill that up, to cull that kind of backing to these Chinese apps, it is going to have a massive impact on them. Mamata Banerjee can play this one-upmanship and then this political blame game later on, but she should not. Or rather, she should be standing shoulder to shoulder with the Indian government in this regard. Shivani. Yeah.
Yes, it's obviously not just about the fact that India is a huge market for these apps. The main concern is their relations with the Chinese government, with the Communist Party, and how several of these companies are known to have contracts which basically need them to share their information with the Chinese government. Now, that's the main concern. Some of them have, of course, come out to say that they don't share this data. But this is, of course, something that the Indian government has looked at very carefully.